Do you want to trade more coins than what there is now currently on Luno? Hi everyone, my name is Yuan Fan from iProperty Fund. So before I continue, I'll appreciate if you could press the like button and subscribe to my channel, as this will greatly help out this video and this channel. So today I'm going to walk you through how you can trade more coins compared to those that are currently on Luno. And bear in mind, this is not financial advice, invest at your own risk. So in one of my previous videos, I did a quick walkthrough of Luno on iPhone. I'll leave the link above in this video. So currently on Luno, you can only buy and sell and trade 5 cryptocurrencies, and they're Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So you want to trade and buy and sell more cryptocurrencies, and you can do that on other crypto wallets or crypto exchanges. So for Luno, it is a centralized crypto wallet and crypto exchange. So we can look at Exodus. Exodus is a decentralized wallet and exchange. So you can actually send a cryptocurrency from Luno to Exodus here. Then on Exodus here, you can buy, sell, trade more than the 5 cryptocurrencies that is currently on Luno. So as you can see here in my portfolio, I have Dogecoin, Tron, there are other cryptos here. You can click add more and you can see there's a range of other cryptos that you can choose from to add in your wallet here in Exodus. So you can only transfer from one crypto to another crypto. So for example, from Bitcoin to Bitcoin, and from Ethereum to Ethereum, and from XRP to XRP, and Litecoin to Litecoin, and BCH to BCH. If you transfer from Bitcoin to Ethereum, the transaction will not go through and you might lose your coins. Okay, so now how to transfer from Luno to Exodus. So here in Exodus, so for example, now we have Bitcoin here, we click Bitcoin. And you can see there's 2 arrows up and down. So click the down arrow and there's 2 Bitcoin addresses here. So go to the second address, copy the address, and then go back to your Luno. Go to your Bitcoin wallet and click send from your Luno to your Exodus. So paste the address wallet here and then click next and then key in the amount. After you receive the Bitcoin in your Exodus wallet, so you want to buy other cryptos that are currently not on Luno. So for example, there's Nano here. You can click Nano and then exchange Nano with the Bitcoin and key in whatever amount of Bitcoin that you have and the Nano that you want to buy. So you can choose minimum, half, or and then click exchange now to buy the cryptocurrency that you want. So thanks for listening. I appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel, and this will help with YouTube's algorithm for this video and this channel. So have a great day and week ahead. Stay safe investing.